The Tennessee Extension Master Gardener Program trains volunteers to provide the public with research-based information on garden topics. We are volunteers who have a love of plants coupled with training to teach and assist Tennessee residents. In Tennessee, interns participate in a 40-hour certification course where they learn about soils, plants, insects, disease, and environmental stewardship. And they volunteer in any of several community projects such as the annual Garden Expo, the annual Garden Tour, the Hamilton County Fair, Crabtree Farms, Reflection Riding, Plant Sale, the Chattanooga Food Bank, and so much more. Once the certification process has been completed, they become certified master gardeners. The mission of the Tennessee Extension Master Gardener Program is to improve the lives of Tennesseans through horticulture education delivered by a dedicated and skilled volunteer network. For those who do not want to follow the full path towards Master Gardener certification, but want to learn more about their plants, their gardens, and related topics for their own purposes, we offer a beginner newcomer gardening class. The series is ideal for those who have recently relocated to the area and for those who are novice gardeners. We teach you how to successfully garden in this area of predominantly clay soil and inconsistent weather. You will learn the science behind gardening and discover which plants work best in our area and which ones to avoid. Most importantly, we will also provide you with the inside scoop on local nurseries and garden suppliers. Classes are held on 4 consecutive Tuesday evenings in March. The classes focus on soils, fertilization, turf grasses, landscape design, vegetables, editable landscaping, trees and shrubs, perennials and annuals, and how to attract wildlife to your landscape. Many people from the beginner and newcomers class decide to go on and enroll in the full Master Gardener certification process, and others are content with the knowledge they pick up in the class. We invite you to explore either path and contact us if you have questions. Contact us by email at info@mghc.org or call the UT Extension office at 423-855-6113. More information is available at mghc.org.